Hi guys! Welcome to Sky Adventure here in Eden Nature Park. Hope you will visit here. Marami kayo ditong may enjoy na mga rides. Super duper. And by the way, this is Charmed Davao. And welcome to my adventure here in Eden Nature Park. Actually, this is the part of our adventure here. I will put the video of our part 1 at the end of this video. So here is our adventure here in Sky Adventures. Check this out. Are you sure you're going to do this?
Yep. They're going to give me a parachute too.
Yeah. My adventurous husband is already. Be careful, babe.
It's really big.
Babe,
You might have to go to
give me that. Daddy, give me that sunglasses. You will wear that?
If I fall from there, I don't think a helmet's going to do it. Hold on.
Oh, my husband and Brian is already on the top. Oh, good luck. Babe! Be careful! They will ride over there. So my husband and Ryan will going to race. Oh, look at that. Look at that. They're still there. Oh, I saw Ryan. Oh, that's my husband and Ryan. Ryan and my husband is going back again. They're tired. Oh, my husband is the first one. Ah, Ryan again. Daddy! Daddy! That's my husband. Hey, hey, you made it. You made it. You made it, guys. Ryan. Ryan. Would you like to try the bungee jumping?
You guys. No, that's for you.
We're gonna get our free snack. Ichiro! It's not free.
You pay.
It's not. It's included in the ticket.